Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to bold, italize, and underline text in the Microsoft Word app in 2026. These formatting tools can help make important information stand out and give your documents a cleaner and more professional look. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app on your phone and open the document that contains the text you want to format. Next, tap and hold on the word or sentence you want to change. Then drag the selection handles to highlight all of the text you want to edit. Once your text is selected, tap the formatting icon or the home menu to open the text formatting options. You should now see the formatting tools for bold, italic, and underline. Tap the bold button, usually represented by the letter B, if you want to make your text thicker and more noticeable. Tap the italic button, usually shown as the letter I, if you want your text to appear slanted or emphasized. Tap the underline button, commonly displayed as the letter U with a line underneath it, if you want to place a line below your selected text. You can use these options individually or combine them together depending on how you want your text appear. For example, a heading can be bold and underlined at the same time, while important words inside the paragraph can be italicized or emphasis. Once you selected your preferred formatting, the changes will be applied immediately to the highlighted text. And that's it. That's how you can bold, italicize, and underline text in the Microsoft Word app in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.